What is up YouTube? So, quick video lang. It took more than a month pero nandito na yung Tops Now Olympic pack natin. So may chance for the Curry, LeBron, KD triple auto valued at 500,000 US dollars. So we're looking for itong mga sealed foil packs. So tignan natin kung ano laman nito. So far, mukhang ito lang ang laman. Mukhang kamote tayo mga pare. Isang pack lang. So walang foil packs. Mukhang base cards lang nakuha natin. May mga possible na white and blue base variations. All in all, 5 cards lang binili ko. So, parang $45 kasama na shipping. Pag binili nyo isa-isa, ang price yata sa website is $12 each. So, these are still nice looking cards. Pero mukhang base lang lahat na nakuha natin. So, parang bumili lang tayo ng lotto ticket. Pero kahit hindi tayo nanalo, at least may cards pa din tayo nakuha. So, time for a giveaway. I'll give away 2 of these cards for this video. One sa comment section and one sa subscriber list. So, I'll announce the winners a month from now, October 22, just in time for the start of the NBA season. So, leave lang a comment below. Worth it ba tong mga cards na to? And then make sure subscribe din kayo for more giveaways.